Want to start dropshipping with zero ad budget and still make real money? Forget the BS gurus feeding you the same AliExpress to Shopify garbage. This is Instagram organic dropshipping. Raw, real, and working in 2025. No ads. Listen, the game has changed. People are tired of being sold to. They want connection, they want authenticity, they want to buy from people they actually like and trust. This is about building a community around a passion, and then selling some damn good products. So, buckle up, because I'm about to break down exactly how to turn followers into dollars without spending a cent on ads. Let's go. First things first, you gotta find products that actually sell themselves. Go where the attention is. TikTok. Yeah, TikTok. Type in TikTok, made me buy it, or Amazon finds and filter by most recent. See what's popping off. Look for items under $30 with crazy high engagement, tons of comments, shares, the whole 9 yards. But here's the kicker. You also want low saturation. Find those hidden gems, those products with that I need it factor that haven't been completely run into the ground. Think about your own Instagram feed. Find products that fit that vibe, that tell a story, that make people feel something. Find the products that get you hyped, that you genuinely believe in, because that passion, that energy, that's what's going to resonate with your audience. Next up, your Instagram page. This is your storefront, your digital real estate. And let me tell you, first impressions matter. No more personal pics, no more random memes. It's time to niche down. Pick a theme, pets, gadgets, home decor, beauty tools, whatever gets you fired up. But own that niche. Become the go-to for everything related to that niche. Your bio is your elevator pitch. It needs to hook people in, something like daily gadget drops that make life easier. Shop the finds followed by a link tree, or your Shopify link. People are scrolling through hundreds of profiles a day. Your bio needs to cut through the noise and tell them exactly what you're about. High-quality images, engaging captions, and most importantly, content that provides value. Put in the work to create a page that pops, that screams, "This is the place to be," and you'll be amazed by the results. Chapter 3. Post 3 times a day, Reels only. Here's where the magic really happens. Instagram Reels. This is your content goldmine. Forget about static posts, forget about stories. Reels are the name of the game. You need to be posting at least 3 reels every single day. Now I know what you're thinking, Gary, I don't have time to create that much content. And you know what? You're right. You don't have time to reinvent the wheel. Steal like an artist. Go back to those viral TikTok videos you found earlier. Download them using Snaptic, remove the watermark, edit them in CapCut, and boom, you've got yourself a fresh piece of content. Add your own caption, your own spin, but don't be afraid to leverage what's already working. Hashtags are key. Use 5 niche-specific hashtags and 2 trending ones. The more engagement you get, the more people see your content, the more followers you get, the more money you make. Chapter 4. Sell in DMs with scarcity. Now here's where the rubber meets the road, your DMs. This is where the real selling happens. But forget about being salesy. Forget about spamming people with links. This is about building relationships, about providing value, and then, yes, closing the deal. When someone comments or likes 3 or more of your posts, that's your cue to slide into their DMs. But not with some generic "hey girl" message. Be personal, be engaging, be helpful. Use a script like this. "Hey, glad you liked the post. Just wanted to let you know, we have only 9 units left of that product. Want me to reserve one for you?" People are more likely to buy when they feel like they're getting something exclusive, something that not everyone else has. And the key is speed. Respond to those DMs as quickly as possible. Chapter 5. Fulfill orders and scale with automation. Once someone says yes, it's time to get that order fulfilled. Send them a checkout link, or if you're just starting out, a Google form and your payment details. Keep it simple, keep it easy. And here's the beauty of dropshipping. You don't touch a single product. Use a platform like Zendrop to automate the entire fulfillment process. They handle the sourcing, the packaging, the shipping, everything. You just focus on what you do best, creating killer content and building relationships. On a $20 product, you should be aiming for a profit margin of 40 to 60%. It's all about hustle, it's all about creativity, and it's all about providing real value. Outro, start building your empire. So there you have it. Instagram organic dropshipping. No ads, no inventory, just you, your phone, and your hustle. Don't overthink it. Create the page, post the content, Start now, or scroll forever. The choice is yours.